In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. So the first thing you need to do is to turn on your tablet, and you need to press on with your finger 1 second on an empty space on the home page. So where there's no apps, like here, there's nothing. You can even go on another page. Just keep it pressed a second and you'll have this appearing. On the bottom here, you see wallpaper. You're gonna press on it. Now you'll have to choose between multiple source where you can get a new wallpaper. You can press My Wallpapers, the first one. These are pre-installed on your tablet and you can select them this way. But if you want to use, let's say, a picture you took with your tablet, all you have to do is to go into Gallery. This is the second option. Tap on it and here you have all the picture you took or downloaded on your tablet. So let's say I want this kitty, I'll select it and then press Done on the top right corner. Here it will ask if you want this wallpaper to be for your home screen, your lock screen, or both. Let's say I want both, I'll press the last option. And here we go, it will show you just a preview how it will look on your tablet before confirming. And if you're satisfied, you're gonna click on Set on Lock and Home Screens. It will take a few seconds here and it will be done. You can go back and here we go. I have my wallpaper. So here we are. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.